In a study of 500,000 pupils from across England, what we found was that the process of identification for specific learning difficulties is not equitable. Where the students come from, their backgrounds, the schools they attend matter in addition to what their actual reading or math score is. So let's say you have two schools. One is a high achieving school where most children in these schools score above average than the national on reading or math, and then we have a low achieving school where most kids are performing below average compared to the national average. And let's say we take student A, who's a low reader, is reading really poorly, and we imagine this kid goes to the high achieving school compared to the low achieving school. Their odds of getting identified in the high achieving school is much higher because they look so much more different than their peers when it comes to reading. So school context where this kid goes makes a huge difference in whether they get identified for services or not. And what this tells us is that many children who need access to services are potentially not getting access to those services and thus are not getting the support that they need to help improve their academic outcomes. And government policy needs to clearly outline what schools and teachers need to do to identify students so this process is equitable across all schools and children don't miss out on access to services because they went to one school instead of another school.